Hey everyone, good evening. I'm so happy today. I was in fact modeling for a friend's product, her Mekhela Sadors, and I just got back and I'm feeling very good because I'm always vocal for local, and those local products are very beautiful. Her Mekhela Sadors and her Western wear. So you have to keep watching this space for more when I actually go and do a video at her place and you can see her beautiful products. But today I'm going to speak about a very important topic about happiness. I told you I'm very happy. My dopamine level is high. Now you're going to ask me, what is dopamine? Well, dopamine is a happy hormone, like many other hormones like serotonin and endorphins, which are produced inside our body and which is responsible for the way we behave and the movements and the happiness level that we have, the motivation levels that we have. All these hormones are important, but this particular hormone, dopamine, is very important. Now, a friend of mine recently, when I was talking about dopamine levels and how important it is for our body and how important it is for our performance, then a friend of mine asked me if dopamine is found in tablet form or in capsule form, in medicine form, where he can have it and feel happy if he's unhappy. Sometimes people tend to feel a little depressed and then they want to have these antidepressants. But then, wait a minute, dopamine can be actually raised naturally. You can raise the levels of dopamine in your body naturally, not by having any medicines, but by naturally. Now you're going to ask me, what is dopamine? And dopamine is an important chemical messenger in the brain that has many functions. It is involved in reward, motivation, memory, attention, and even regulating body movements. So you can imagine how important this particular hormone is, and that is why it's called a happy hormone, because when it is produced in the brain as a reward system for the brain, then what happens is that you function very beautifully, your body functions very wonderfully, and it is important to have dopamine levels in a balanced form inside your body. And how can you increase it? There are many difficulties which you might go through if you have low levels of dopamine, and that could be depression. You could be shaking your legs. You could have low sex interest in your life, and there could be many other things which you might be feeling demotivated. You might not be happy. You might be putting up a face that you're very happy, but you might not be so happy. So the low dopamine levels can have mammoth kind of results, mammoth kind of effects in your body. Not results, sorry, effects in your body. So what are the things that you can do naturally to raise the level of dopamine in your body and to actually balance it, not raise it to a high level, because high levels of dopamine can also cause aggression, too much of wishing for excitement, and all those kind of things. So we don't want too much of anything. We just want everything in a balanced form, and dopamine is essential for the proper functioning of our body. So what is needed? Now I'm going to tell you this thing. There's a beautiful article, 10 best ways to increase dopamine levels naturally. This is written by a wonderful writer, and Erica, and she says that you must eat lots of protein. To increase your dopamine level, it is important to eat a good protein diet. You are supposed to have, but I wouldn't say eat lots and lots of protein. That is again, that could be harmful for you. But you could eat protein which is in a balanced form. You could have it for breakfast, you could have it for lunch, and you could have it for dinner, but then in a balanced form, not too much of it, because too much of anything is bad. We know that, right? So eat lots of protein for both the vegetarians and the non-vegetarians. You know what proteins to eat, right? So for the non-vegetarians, you can eat your meat and you can eat your eggs and stuff, and for the vegetarians, you can eat your legumes, you can eat your pulses. There are so many other forms of the proteins that you can resort to. So the other thing that is important for raising your dopamine levels is eat less of saturated fat. Now we all know what is saturated fat and how harmful it could be. In 2019, when I was hospitalized in November, I remember that my saturated fat level in my system was very high. My cholesterol level was very high, and that was probably one of the reasons why I knocked out. I mean, I would be using that word rather, instead of saying I died or something. I was knocked cold because of the high cholesterol levels in my body, because of the saturated fat. Saturated fat in a balanced form is good, but not too much of it. If you are going to eat too much of that, so it's not going to be good. So yeah, and the other thing that is good is consume probiotics. Now there's a lot of probiotics that you can have. Nowadays scientists have discovered that the gut and the brain are closely linked. Now when you have probiotics, any kind of probiotic food, it cleans up your gut. And your gut, if you are reading enough of all this on health, you will realize that the gut is an important part of your body. There's a lot of important bacteria in the gut which is needed for your system, and it is very important to keep your gut healthy by eating probiotics. We will talk about probiotics in my next video, and probiotics is very good to for your body while producing dopamine. So the other thing is that eat velvet beans. Now eating too much of velvet beans can also be a little dangerous for your body, but you should have, velvet beans is also known as Mucuna pruriens. So and it naturally contains high levels of L-dopa, the precursor molecule to dopamine. So you can understand that if you have these velvet beans, but don't have too much of it, it could again create problems. But and then it has been found that velvet beans also helps in Parkinson's disease. So you must try this. I don't know whether we get it here, but I must try and find it out whether we get this in Guwahati or not. But then I must try and find out. The other thing which is very, 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 very important to increase your dopamine level, the important thing that you can do to increase your dopamine level is exercise often. If you can exercise as often as possible, this will also keep you healthy till the end of your life. Because I suggest that if you are 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, whatever age you are, you must do your exercise regularly. In fact, dopamine is raised when you do 1 hour of yoga every day for 6 days. So you can imagine how important this is. Yoga is important. Other kinds of exercises are important. Of course, it will depend on how strong you are, how active you are, and don't do any kind of exercise which could hurt your back or your knees or any part of your body. Consult a doctor before doing any kind of exercise. But remember, dopamine levels, you become happier, you become more productive, you become more motivated, you feel very rewarding, you feel very successful when you do your exercise, because dopamine levels are raised. The other thing which is very, 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 very important, and where researchers have been saying this all across and all the time, is get enough sleep. A healthy sleep routine is when you sleep at a particular time and you wake up at a particular time. And for an adult also, babies of course needs lots and lots of sleep. They need a lot of sleep. But even for an adult, for a healthy adult who needs to perform well enough for the next day, 7 to 9 hours of sleep is very important. I don't know how you'll do that, but then it is important for you to sleep for at least 7 to 9 hours. I have many friends, many students who tell me that they cannot sleep before 4 a.m. Now that's terrible. I don't know how their system works, how they perform the next day, how they get to work, how they get to college. It's beyond my thinking and beyond my imagination. But getting enough sleep can increase your dopamine level, and your brain functions extremely well. And then again, this is my favorite. This is my favorite, is to listen to music. Your dopamine levels can go up if you listen to music. I don't know if this bank is still doing that, but in several banks, in several offices, I have seen that there's some light music which is playing in the background while their employees are still working. And I think that kind of induces people, encourages people to work, and increases the dopamine level again. So your natural ways, I've told you so many of these. Listen to music. This is so beautiful. And the number 8 is meditate. When you start meditating, there is this brain function which works like magic. You are able to perform better, you are able to talk better, you are happier, your dopamine levels go up, and you kind of feel very good about yourself. I think feeling good about yourself, feeling good about the world and your surroundings is important. And meditating is one way where you can raise the dopamine levels in your body. And for those of you who are home persons, who do not want to go outside, who are not very outsidey kind of a person, get enough sunlight. Even if you are very busy during the day, but make sure that you get some sunlight sometime during the day. It's very important that you get the sunlight in the morning, more often in the morning. During the midday, it becomes very harsh, and those UV rays actually can spoil your skin and give you black marks around your cheeks here. So try not to, and even if you're going out in the sun, try to put some sunscreen lotion and cover yourself up with a scarf or something like that, because I don't know how far sunscreen lotions are helpful, but it's not helped me, at least. So I don't know whether it could help you. And if you still are not going to do any of these, you could consider supplements. You could think of having your body, here this particular report says that your body requires several vitamins and minerals to create dopamine, and these include iron, niacin, folate, and vitamin B6. Now, if you think that you are deficient in these, you could have supplements in the form of medicines. You could ask your doctor. And these supplements include magnesium, vitamin D, curcum, oregano extract, and green tea. So these supplements also. But all this is still under research, and the bottom line is that to increase your dopamine level, you can do so many things. The dopamine level that I know how I increase the dopamine level in my body is by laughing it out, because I know of performers who, before they go to a particular concert the next day, they sleep for at least 7 to 9 hours, and the next morning they watch funny videos so that their performance is at the peak. They don't watch anything serious. So for me, to laugh it out till my tears roll down is one way of increasing my dopamine level in my body, and I am laughing all the time. There are so many worries in this world, but why worry when you can laugh it out with friends and have a great time? And of course, the other thing that you could do is have dark chocolate. It's very nice. And the other thing that you could do to increase the dopamine and serotonin levels in your system is this. I love to have this. This is awesome. This is super tasty. This is Bhut Jolokia, the king chili. and this could increase the dopamine levels in your body. And this is amazing. I could have it right in front of you right now. This is super duper tasty. You don't have to do this. I've given you some simple solutions of how to increase your dopamine. But you don't have to do this like me. You don't have to have the king chili like me. But you could be happy by doing all those other things that I had told you about. And the best part is to watch those funny videos. The best part is this is very tasty. Oh, this is so awesome. The best part is just be happy, have the positive attitude, pray, meditate, help other people as much as you can. Don't harbor any kind of hate inside your heart for others. Just love, love, and love. And your dopamine level is going to rise like anything. And on that note, I'm going to say bye. I'm going to enjoy my this king chili bhut jolokia while you have a good time contemplating on your dopamine levels. Bye.